Hello everyone. So in this session, I would like to explain you how to do the project. So as we all know that after completion of the training, you have to do the project. So I have already explained you the project, like all the documents like BBP, business blueprint, project preparation, realization, and final preparation, go live, all the stages. I have explained you both the SAP methodology and Activate methodology, right? And in that project, so I told you that you have to do your own project, correct? So for that project, first you have to go through the BBP documents given in your drive, and whatever I have explained you, you just go through all the BBP documents, business blueprint documents. This is a part of business blueprint phase. Okay. After completion of business blueprint document, uh, take one company, take one top 500 companies, either in India or any country, but take the top 500 companies, which is well known. If you go on search now, you can find out the top 500 companies. You can take like Reliance Industries, Nestle, Britannia Industries, okay, where you can able to get the data in the public domain. What type of company it is, what is the business process they are doing, what is the balance sheet, trial balance. So all these things, cash flow statements, whatever you want, you can get it in the public domain, profit and loss statements, etc. Or you can take any company which you are well aware of it. Suppose you have worked with some XYZ company, private limited company, you know the complete business process of that company, so you can implement that itself in your system. So check once BBP document. Based on this BBP, take one company code and prepare. Don't do again BBP. It will take a lot of time, right? So prepare KDS document. KDS means key data structure. I have given one key KDS document which we were using in our live projects. I have given examples also in that document. You can rewrite that examples. So if I have given one industry, you can take another industry. There I have already updated like what is the organization structure, what is the vendor groups, customer groups, taxes, so GL groups, all those things I have given you over there. What that is called key data structure. So based on this key data structure, create one company. So it is better to do either in my recommendation is ECC. If you want to do in S4HANA also, it's fine. But error-free system you'll be having in ECC, right? So you can just use it ECC. Otherwise, take S4HANA system also, no problem. You have S4HANA means you can work in S4HANA also. Now, create one company code and do all the configurations just like how I have given in the business blueprint document. It should be like very you should think like you are working in the real time project and you have to work all the configurations and you have to do testing. So you have to do complete configurations and testing like GL to asset, GL, AP, AR, asset, banking, okay, controlling, S4HANA, whatever I have told you, everything you have to do in your system. So GL to end, whatever we have discussed in the class. I don't want any additional things. Whatever we have discussed in the class, same thing, you please do it. Once you complete this, okay, next, test it and prepare a document. Prepare testing document, okay, prepare testing document. In this testing document, I need uh, like end user transaction screenshots, like GL posting, okay, vendor postings. Postings means advance, outgoing payments, incoming payments, all those things, okay. So, and vendor open item, vendor report, screenshot. You run the system, you open the system and execute, take a screenshot and put it in one Word document. Okay, so make it, you can use some references to make it beautiful, like the document, what is the purpose of that GL postings, so what is the screenshot, everything, like vendor posting, vendor reports, customer, next P2P cycle, O2C cycle, whatever we have discussed in the class, same thing. I am not asking anything new. So prepare one document. Okay. Once you prepare this document, na, and once you complete your project, once you do everything, the project will be completed as per the BBP, and submit, submit to our placement mail ID. Submit these documents once, or either one documents or multiple documents along with your KDS, okay, to our placements mail ID. Then our HR will review and schedule interview for your placement process. So once you are selected, as we already discussed, you may, you might be like fresher, you might be like experienced, or you might be like end user. So based on your performance, we'll suggest you which is your best possible way, and we'll take it forward. That this process will take it forward after completion of the interview. So this is the entire process. Okay. So this is how you have to do the KDS document. You have to do the company code, entire configurations, documents you have submit. I have given only few here. You have to submit entire end user transactions. Okay. It may take 10-15 days, no problem, but you'll feel more confident. You will feel like a real-time project and you will feel more confident. So whatever knowledge I have given, that is a knowledge of SAP FICO. Now, if you do the project, you will get a lot of confidence that will help you to attend the interviews and to crack the interviews. Okay. So thank you all.